Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be the last video of 2019, and I had so much fun while creating dolls for you guys. Making every single doll for you guys are just so special for me, and I really enjoy working on them. And I'm so much happy that you guys are liking my work and especially liking my doll face ups. So in this video I'm going to be making a Christmas tree doll using Ashlyn doll as a base. So first of all, I'm just taking a small piece of fabric and just securing the doll hair. I'm so sorry guys that I can't show you the process of the hair here in my YouTube channel, because I rerouted this doll about 4 months ago and I don't have a footage of that, but I'll be creating a lot of hair tutorials in the next year, so please stay tuned for that. So now let's move on to the doll face up. I just sealed this face up twice with MSC, and now I'm just taking my watercolor pencils, soft pastels and makeup brushes and starting making the doll face. I just used light color of brown watercolor pencils to sketch the doll eyes. Don't use black color at the beginning of your doll face up because you can't remove it very easily, and brown color is very easy to work with. So just take your time to the shape of your doll eyes, because you want it to make both of the eyes in very similar shape, because you don't want it to make one eye big and the other eye smaller, because in the end when you completed the doll face up, then the eyes will look very wonky and it will not look very good. Guys, I'm very excited about one thing, and I can't tell you about that for a long time. I'm just planning to make videos more and more in my YouTube channel, and I'm just decided to make video every single week in my YouTube channel, which I'm so much happy about. So which one day you will prefer? Friday, Saturday or Sunday? Please let me know in the comments that which one day you guys prefer. So I will upload every single week and make so many dolls, hair tutorials and many other things in this YouTube channel, which I'm so much excited about. Now let's talk about the face up again. I just sealed the doll face again with MSC, and now I'm just adding eyeshadows. So for the eyeshadows, I'm using maroon and brown colors of eyeshadows. And now I'm just adding white colors to the doll eyes. Make sure to build your white colors again and again to make the white colors very opaque and vibrant. And now it's time for the most fun part. These days I really like working on doll eyebrows. They are so much fun to make and I really enjoy working on them. So I'm using my tiniest brush and using dark green color of soft pastels and just starting sketching the doll eyebrows, and also adding a lot of red blushing to the doll face up. So now I'm just defining everything using my black color, and I already done one of the doll eye, and now I will do the same thing with the other eye. So now enjoy the process of the face up, and if I have to tell you something special, then I will be right back. During the doll eyeshadow part, I just sealed the doll face twice again with MSC to make the eyeshadow color very opaque and vibrant, and then using black color I'm defining everything again and again, and at last I give it the bottom lashes and added lashes and added highlights to the doll eyes, and the doll face up is all done. Now it's time to see the doll hair. I'm really in love with the doll hair. I'm really loving the red bead effect, and I already added some golden beads and doll hair, which I'm really loving. And this is going to be one of my favorite doll hair which I made. So I just take a piece of felt and added a ribbon at the center. And just adding it directly to the doll hair. And once it's done, then take a lot of accessories like your Christmas decor things and be creative. You can add whatever you want. I'm just gluing randomly anything which I found in my stock box, and also added some branches and pomegranates and holly and little bit tiny flower which I made out of polymer clay. And add whatever you want. You just have to be creative. And adding this holy plant is one of my favorite thing. And now I'm just adding these polymer clay flowers which I made. Once the headpiece is all done, then take a very small scissors and remove all of the gluey flakes which come out of this hot glue, and then the doll headpiece is all done. And now our Christmas tree doll is all done. I think that I'm really in love with her. I really like her face up, hair and her headpiece. And my grandmom also did a very great job in making her outfit. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys very soon with a very amazing video. So for that time, goodbye.